Then we want to see traits. Then this underscore whip underscore max dir, and this. Oh, come on. There. And then this dot underscore web dot underscore exp. This dot underscore web dot underscore level. All right. So now if we look at, yay, that's not right. So PID was 2. Oh. Damn. Yeah. Okay. We need to add the weapon level on this. And while we're here, since we have to fix this, not fix it, but add this, we're also going to add some code to modify the or the XP cost is done in here now, right? I took that out. I almost forgot about that. Okay. One thing we will have to do is we'll have to update the weapon and refresh the status window. I think I already handled that though. Let me see. On weapon level, okay. Scene blacksmith, select level up. Okay, no, we're not doing anything like that. So, basically, we need to do the same thing here, really. Just need to do it both times. Except on this one, this dot underscore wep. This dot underscore wep. Statwind dot set weapon. And then, so we've updated it in the game party, but let me see, how do we pass through the selected weapon? From weapon select, okay, weapon select list does it internally. Right. So, yeah, let's go ahead and add a get weapon to this, so we can get the updated weapon out of this. And then set weapon, this dot underscore level up wind dot get weapon. And then refresh it. go see if there's anything else that's not quite right on the update now. Alright, better. So 36. So we added 2 to 35. No. So it was... Oh no, 1. Yeah, that's right. It's 1 for the first one. So that's right, 36. 35, it goes 36. Are there any E-params? There are. 2 for, on 2 it's 2. Or on 1 it's 2. No, on 2 it's 2. What the hell? God, 6 it's 2. So that's I think that's counter. Yeah, counter attack. Right. So, yep, 6-2, good. And then new E-params. And there's nothing for that. So then we go down to traits. And so on traits, there's nothing on this one, so nothing should change. And yeah, so we ignore it if it's all zeros, because somehow there's a 0 that gets put into there. And then we update the weapon. Now if I check this done underscore, or game party. Weapon level 2, durability 55. Cool. Except this didn't do anything. Are we doing the process okay at the bottom? Of course we aren't. I know we aren't, because I just remembered that we didn't do that. Okay. Then we get window selectable dot prototype dot call dot process okay dot call this. Okay. Now it should work in its entirety. We'll need to check though. I turn these off instead of getting rid of them, because on level 4 we need to check to make sure the traits are working. So we're gonna have to add a few levels to get to the traits to make sure that adding traits is working. Adding and updating them are working. So no clue how many we're gonna need. So let's just grab a bunch. Okay, that should be enough, I think. Definitely enough. Alright, so level up. Okay. So now durability is 55, levels 2. We have our dropped there. Attack is 43, counter is 2. 43, is that what I said it was supposed to be, or did I say 45? Well, it's 43, so it's close to what I thought it was supposed to be. Counter is 2. So if we go to level up again, cost is now 690, nice. No parameters and durability plus 10. And gold cost is that, so I'll hit OK. Durability is 65, awesome. And that's dropped again, level 3. Alright, so now we're on level 4, so let's add the breakpoints back in. Alright, so now we have our traits getting added here. And we have 2 more attack and 10 more durability plus a level. So let's go OK. So I'm sure all this is working. What I'm interested in now is the traits. So I'm going to minimize this free up some area. So we should. So when we go through this, we should see bleeding, which is 11. We should see this go up to 0.5. We should see poison, which is 2, which is this one, go to 0.37. And we should have another entire new one for blind when this gets down to here. No, set sign is not a function. Where is that at? Oh, I forgot to take out this stuff. Yeah. So it looked like it was working up until that point. So at least everything else is working. Awesome. We actually have working instance-based weapons right now. Well, kind of. We're at the point where they're actually leveling up and gaining stats and whatnot. But we have to actually add them to the characters and actually use them in battle and stuff like that. So we're about halfway there, really, which is awesome. Well, there's also this is only just one thing. There's 3 other systems we have to build out: the refine system, the repair system, and the synthesize system. I still haven't figured out what we're gonna do for refine. Because we're not going to do something in the tag to do that. So I think on refine, we're just going to multiply everything by some set value times the level, the refinement level, and then that's just what it'll be. So it'll be like stats. So like we'll add this. So like it'll be like the stat parameter plus, and then in parentheses we'll have like some value like 0.002 times the stat value. Times this, and then that times the stat value, then onto that, or something like that. Something similar to that, so that the refinement value has some has a reason to exist and improves the weapon, but that you don't have to have a note tag thing for it, because we have to put a note tag thing in there for it. The note tag is just going to be way too complicated and large. It's already kind of that way right now. That's why I'm hesitant to do anything else with it. I mean, this stuff alone here is like, what the hell? I mean, you need to do it to make it work, but at the same time, you know, if you have to do this per... Well, see, it's level trait codes. Maybe, I guess we could do refine... Well, then we have to do level param. But I guess it's possible to do it that way. Or just maybe have the refine value be in here as a parameter that we bring in. And do it that way instead of hard coding it. That's probably how it will be, and once we get to that point. But we got to get through that, then synthesize, which is going to be really interesting. We'll have to put in a flag on the weapon that makes it so you can't level it up or refine it anymore. Well, so that you can't. No, yeah, because the weapon this produces will not be a weapon in the database, so it won't have a note tag. It won't have any of that stuff. It'll be just this will be a purely The weapon that this will produce will be a purely instanced weapon with no basis in the game engine at all. So it's going to be a phantom weapon, basically. And because what's going to happen is you're going to take one weapon, synthesize one into it. It'll keep the first weapon's name, the base weapon name, and then it'll pull over some or all the stats from the I don't know, what should we call that? The second weapon, the synthesized weapon, at a certain rate, and then repair is just gonna fix the durability, and we have to add in the durability system too. So what I'm thinking is, okay, let's see. How do we want to? It'll be an option, I think, to either have it break or just have it be reduced in power. So, and break as in break and be unequipped, not as in break and be reduced power. Break and be unequipped. Similar to, not like destroyed like in Breath of the Wind or Wild or whatever it is, the new Zelda game, but at least be unequipped so that there's no equipment on that character at that point. So yeah, we got some interesting stuff coming down the pike for that. So let's go ahead and level up the first. Okay, the second. Alright, here we go. No. Where is there still a set sign? Tell me. Where the hell is that coming from? Line 1392. 1392. What the? 1392. What? That can't be right. 1329. Okay. Yeah. I'm a moron. No. Yes. No. Oh, did I not? I saved it, but I didn't. No. Yes. I removed it in the editor window again. Crap. Gotta stop doing that. Or I gotta make the console window actually update the file. That'd be even better, actually. Okay, now frickin' thing is saved properly, and we should see this working now correctly. Let's go ahead and disable those breakpoints. Because we already know it works up to that point. We just need to see if the trait stuff works or not. I have no reason to believe it shouldn't, because it's based on the same code that's displaying them, which works. The question is whether or not the values are being updated. Just have to verify. Okay. Before we do that, click on that. Hit this. Okay, so. End trade is not defined. What's... Oh, hell. Try it. Nope, nope, nope. Stop that. Don't do it. Stop. Danger, Will Robinson, danger. Okay. Now, bloody finally, we'll see if this works or not. So at the very least, it found that there was a new trait, which is a good sign. Again, like I said, there's no reason to expect that code wouldn't work properly because it already does work. The question is whether or not it's updating those values properly. Okay, breakpoints, disable. Don't really care about those yet. Now we need to enable them. Okay, perfect. Oh no, wait, this is 13, 12, no, these didn't update. So this, the weapons underscore traits TID. So if the code, yeah, the value's not, so if the code and the ID are the same, update the value. So, damn. Unless that was first in there. What's, I'm gonna get rid of this. What is NTID right now? It's, no, it's definitely not the first. So what the fuck? Why did you not work? And no, I didn't change anything. I just put the breakpoint there. Good. It's like, did I change something in the thing again? Oh no, well, that was close. Okay. So a bunch of experience. Probably don't even need as much I've been getting, but better to have more than that enough. All right. Level up once, twice, third time. Okay, so trait ID is 0, or TID. So traits TID 0. Wait. So this code is 13. Really? But TID is 0. TID and traits. And traits is a thing built from web traits. So what is going on here? So 0 and 0. 0 is 31. It isn't. It isn't 13. So what is going on here? What is TID? 11 and 11. Or am I building this? Oh, okay, no, we're only getting the 13s, right? Okay, that makes sense. Oh, that's what. Okay. Let's not use web traits. Let's use traits. Can I move this up the list somehow? Of course not. Alright, so there's traits, and where's new traits? Actually, we don't have new traits yet. New traits. Good. So we can put them here. Alright, that makes more sense. Now, why is the value not being updated? Put the thing there. So this traits id.value is 0.35, and the one here is 0.15. So if we go continue, yeah, no, it's not updating. Interesting. Okay, that's why we're updating traits directly. So updating traits or updating web traits. Which, I mean, I guess it's fine. Yeah, that's fine, I guess. It's just that, well, wait, what about, let's put that back in. This dot underscore web dot underscore traits. So, except that the IDs don't match because the value for T1 get updated. Damn it. Okay, so what we have to do then is okay, we're gonna remove that. Crap. Actually, we don't need I2 anymore either. Let's make this I1. Just gonna add all the traits into it, and then only update the ones that we need to. And yep, I just did it over here. I caught it though, so I can just copy this back over here. Now that should work. Okay, new game. Oh, I just grabbed a bunch of weapons. I guess it doesn't matter. Alright, so breakpoints on. There we go. Now we're getting the right values. And then, yep, there's that one. Perfect. Yes, perfect. So if we exit here and open up another one of these, it's level 1 with all that stuff still the way it should be. Except, no, actually, no, it's not. That's interesting. So, the durability in this are correct, but the params are not correct. Interesting. So 54 400. That's interesting. 65 495. This has more experience, or no, 64. This is less. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. But this stuff down here, that's interesting. It's still the same. I haven't actually tried this before. So it's only for those weapons. It's only for the katanas of darkness. Are we somehow updating everything of these? All of these? Well, if we're updating all of these, then the durability would be changed too. It's just the parameters and the traits. I wonder if somehow those aren't getting changed. Well, something to look into. What if we level this up? So that changed, this changed, that changed, these didn't change. Interesting. So I think that the parameters and traits printouts are not displaying the correct values. Because it's not pulling the right. So this is pulling the stuff from the first weapon. It's not pulling it from the one that we have now. So maybe we need to do some sort of, there's an update issue, or it's not pulling the right information based on the code. Anyway, still we got instance-based weapons here. Nice. Got level 4 Katana of Darkness here, which has 75 durability. And we have this level 3 Katana that has 65 durability. So that's awesome. Cool beans. So that's going to be it for this stream today. I may do some more streaming tonight. Don't know when, so I'll start streaming whenever I start streaming. But thanks for watching the stream if you did so live, for watching it on YouTube afterwards. Comments, questions, leave them below. And if you have any comments, if you haven't done so already, I would appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. And I will see you later. Aha, there we go, cool. Wasn't sure that would work. Alright, so, hi everyone, this is GeoWill from Productions², and we're back to do a little bit more streaming for tonight.